Hi everyone, I'm Steph and I'm the Creative Learning Officer here at the Sunderland Empire. I'm here to share with you some of the online resources that we've been working on to help you with our Big Sing, which is happening at the end of June. This year, Sunderland Music Hub and the Sunderland Empire are working on a very personal and special version of the Big Sing. This year, the theme is Sunderland, so all of our songs have a link, either the artists or the songs are from Sunderland. We have created these workshops to give you some helpful hints and tips on what you should be looking out for when you're learning these songs. The Big Sing 2021 will take place online like last year and will go live at 2 p.m. on Wednesday the 30th of June. Keep an eye on the Sunderland Music Hub's website and a link will be sent out to your schools as well. I'd like to introduce you to Ashley and Laura, who are going to help you learn the tune You're Not Alone by Olive, which is a retro dance track that some of your grown-ups might remember from back in the 90s. The lead singer, Ruth Ann Boyle, was born in Sunderland and this song hit the #1 in the UK chart in 1997. This is You're Not Alone by Olive and we look forward to seeing you at the Big Sing main event on the 30th of June.
This digital workshop is for the song You're Not Alone, which was written by Olive. So what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on the sections where we actually don't sing. And we're going to think about the count because the lyrics to this song come in on beat 3, which is really unusual. So we're going to think about 4 beats and we're going to think like this. This is our count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's quite fast, isn't it? On beat 1, I'd like you to stamp. So every time we do a beat 1, we're going to stamp like this. Ready? So it'll go 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And stop. Perfect, that's great. That gives us a good solid basis, doesn't it, for keeping in time with this song. So on beat 2, I'd like you to tap lightly on your chest here, okay? So our pattern now becomes 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Brilliant, well done, nice. We're going to miss out beat 3 because if you remember I said that's where we start to sing. We start to sing on beat 3. So we're not going to do anything on beat 3. We're going to keep it silent, okay? But on beat 4, we're going to click. Now, if you can't click, Ashley, can you click?
Yeah.
Excellent. I sometimes can click and I sometimes can't click. When I can't click, I just do that with my fingers.
Good.
So I've got the action, okay? So our pattern now goes like this. Ready? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And stop. Well done. I think that works well, doesn't it? It gives us a nice feel and it's nice and strong. On beat 3, we're going to say the words you're not because those are the first words we say, okay? So our pattern goes like this. Ready? It goes 3, 4. You're not. You're not. Ready? Should we try it? Ready? 2, 3, 4. You're not. You're not. You're not. You're not. Great, well done. Now, if you're finding this quite tricky, because it is quite difficult to keep everything going, you could go back to just stamping on beat 1, couldn't you?
Yeah.
You could. So maybe, Ashley, if you could do that for a couple of times, so you can see that it doesn't matter if you can't do the whole pattern, you can just put a little bit of the pattern in, okay? So here we go. So Ashley's going to stamp on beat 1, and I'll keep the whole pattern going, okay? Ready? 2, 3, 4. You're not. You're not. You're not. You're not. You're not. You're not. Stop. Well done, that was good. Brilliant. So now we're going to put in the first line. Okay, so the first line goes, you're not alone. So let's just sing those 2 words. Ready? 1, 2. You're not alone. Brilliant. So here we go. Now in the pattern, it'll go like this. You're not alone. Brilliant. Well done. We're just going to go around that a few times. Ready? 1. You're not alone. Lovely.
You're not alone.
Well done. You're not alone. Excellent. One more. You're not alone. Well done. Brilliant. Very, very nice.
I love that. I love it.
Are you feeling this song, Ashley?
I'm feeling it.
So the next line we sing is, I'll wait till the end of time. Let's try that. Ready? 1, 2. I'll wait till the end of time. Now, did you notice I counted 1, 2, which means we're going to come in with beat 3 again, aren't we? So watch. You're not alone. I'll wait till the end of time. Okay, shall we try it? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and you're not alone. I'll wait till the end of time. Well done, very nice. Let's do one more version, and Ashley, if you would go back to just doing the stamp. So if you're feeling this is a little bit tricky, you can still just keep beat 1 going for us. That would be great. Here we go, everybody. Ready? 2, 3, and you're not alone. I'll wait till the end of time. Fantastic, well done. Then we sing this, watch. Open your mind.
Is that on beat 3 again?
Absolutely, every time we're on beat 3, okay? So let's try that one, ready? 3, and open your mind. Brilliant, well done. Maybe we should try and put all 3 together?
Okay.
And now, are you going to do the whole pattern, or are you going to stamp for us?
Should I stamp?
Will you stamp? And I'll keep the pattern going, okay? So you can do whichever pattern you feel the most comfortable with. Here we go. Ready? 2, 3, and you're not alone. Oh, wait till the end of time. Open your mind. Very good. That was good. Once more.
Yes, please.
Here we go. Ready? 2, 3, and you're not alone. I'll wait till the end of time. Open your mind. Brilliant. Now, where do you think the next line goes?
Beat 3?
Exactly. So we go. Surely it's plain to see that. So that's a long line. Listen to it. Surely it's plain to see that. Let's try it after 2. 1, 2. Surely it's plain to see that. Brilliant. And then the thing is, we go back into the pattern again. So this song, or the words that we're going to sing, just repeat themselves round. They become like a riff. They go round and round. So let's go from open your mind. Surely it's plain to see that. I'm going to keep the pattern. Ashley's going to keep beat 1. Okay, here we go. Ready? 2, 3, and open your mind. Surely it's plain to see that. Fantastic. Okay, here's the thing. Putting it all together.
Oh, here we go.
Shall we try? We're going to set our pattern off first, and I think we'll just build it up so we add a little bit at a time. Do you think? So we'll start with our stamp, then we'll add the tap, then we'll add the click, and then we're going to sing. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, just stamp. 2, 3, and stamp. 2, 3, and stamp. Ready to add the tap? Ready? And stamp, tap. Stamp. Brilliant, well done. And we add the click on beat 4 though. Ready? Brilliant. Ready? You're not. Here it goes. Ready? Into the same. You're not alone. Wait till the end of time for you. Open your mind. Surely it's plain to see that you're not alone. I'll wait till the end of time for you. Open your mind. Surely it's plain to see that we did it. Well done. Very good. Head to Sunderland Music Hub website and you can pick up the rest of the song, practice, or you could even come up with your own body percussion pattern if you wanted to. Just remember that you always sing on beat 3. Well done, everybody. Bye.